Frisco window maintenance services are essential for keeping your windows in top condition, including bay windows. Frisco. Regular maintenance can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Our team in Frisco offers comprehensive window maintenance services, including cleaning, inspection, and minor installations to ensure your windows remain functional and aesthetically pleasing. Bay window installation in Frisco is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal, especially with bay windows. Frisco. Our expert team specializes in custom bay window designs that fit perfectly with your home's architecture. With our bay window installation services, you can enjoy increased natural light and a more spacious feel in your living areas. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any Frisco home, and bay windows. Frisco are no exception. Our energy-efficient bay windows in Frisco are designed to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. By choosing our energy-efficient window options, you can enjoy a more sustainable home while saving on utility bills. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity of your windows, including bay windows. Frisco. Whether you need to replace a cracked pane or upgrade to double-pane windows, our Frisco team is here to help. We offer fast and reliable window glass replacement services to ensure your home remains safe and secure. Custom window designs are a great way to add a personal touch to your Frisco home, especially with bay windows. Frisco. Our team specializes in creating unique window designs that reflect your style and preferences. From bay windows to custom shapes, we can bring your vision to life with our custom window design services. Window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows, including bay windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window frame installation services address issues such as rot, warping, and damage to ensure your windows remain sturdy and functional. Trust our experts to restore your window frames to their original condition. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for Frisco homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency, particularly bay windows. Frisco. Our double-pane bay windows in Frisco provide superior insulation, reducing heat loss and noise pollution. Upgrade to double-pane windows for a more comfortable and quiet home environment. Window seal installation is vital for preventing drafts and energy loss in bay windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window seal installation services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Don't let faulty seals compromise your home's insulation. Contact us for expert window seal installation. Window hardware upgrade can enhance the functionality and security of your windows, including bay windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window hardware upgrade services include replacing locks, handles, and hinges to improve the performance of your windows. Upgrade your window hardware for added peace of mind and ease of use. Window insulation services are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, especially for bay windows. Frisco. Our Frisco team offers window insulation services to help reduce energy costs and improve your home's energy efficiency. With our insulation solutions, you can enjoy a more comfortable home year-round. Window sash replacement is necessary when your window sashes are damaged or worn, including those in bay windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window sash replacement services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Trust our experts to replace your window sashes with precision and care. Frisco window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows, including bay windows. Frisco. Our expert team specializes in window frame installation, ensuring that your windows remain sturdy and functional. Whether you need Frisco window frame installation for bay windows or other types, we provide top-notch services to keep your windows in excellent condition. Energy-efficient bay windows. Frisco are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs, and bay windows. Frisco deliver lasting value. Our energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. With our energy-efficient bay windows. Frisco, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Custom bay windows Frisco offer a unique aesthetic appeal to any home, and bay windows Frisco can be tailored to your exact needs. Our custom window designs allow you to personalize your space with beautiful, tailor-made windows. Whether you're looking for custom bay windows Frisco or other custom window designs, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Frisco window seal installation is crucial for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency in bay windows Frisco. Our window seal installation services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. Trust our Frisco window seal installation experts to keep your home well insulated. Double-pane bay windows Frisco provide excellent insulation and noise reduction, making bay windows Frisco a smart investment. Our double-pane windows are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Choose double-pane bay windows Frisco for superior performance and a quieter living space. Frisco window hardware upgrade services can enhance the functionality and security of bay windows Frisco. Our window hardware upgrade options include the latest in window technology and design. Upgrade your windows with our Frisco window hardware upgrade services for improved performance and peace of mind. Insulated bay windows Frisco are perfect for maintaining a comfortable indoor climate, and bay windows Frisco benefit greatly from insulation upgrades. Our insulated windows provide superior thermal performance, keeping your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Choose insulated bay windows Frisco for year-round comfort and energy savings. Frisco window sash replacement is necessary for windows that are difficult to open or close, including bay windows Frisco. Our window sash replacement services ensure smooth operation and improved energy efficiency. Trust our Frisco window sash replacement experts to restore your windows to optimal condition. Weatherproof bay windows Frisco are designed to withstand the elements, making bay windows Frisco ideal for long-term durability. Our weatherproofing services protect your windows from rain, wind, and other harsh weather conditions. Choose weatherproof bay windows Frisco for long-lasting durability and protection. Frisco window screen installation is essential for keeping pests out while allowing fresh air in through bay windows Frisco. Our window screen installation services provide high-quality screens that fit perfectly. Enjoy the benefits of fresh air without the hassle of insects with our Frisco window screen installation. Bay window tinting Frisco offers UV protection and privacy, especially for bay windows Frisco exposed to direct sunlight. Our window tinting services reduce glare and protect your furnishings from sun damage. Choose bay window tinting Frisco for enhanced comfort and style. Frisco window caulking services are vital for preventing leaks and drafts around bay windows Frisco. Our window caulking services ensure a tight seal around your windows, improving energy efficiency. Trust our Frisco window caulking services to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient.